Hey guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today, we're talking about an article that it's nothing new, but this article does have some information that may be helpful, may be new to you, or you may just have forgotten about it, not thought about it, whatever the case may be. We often preach that when it comes to insurance, the cheaper option is not always the best, right? You want to look at the comprehensive package, right? So is there value in what this carrier, this partner is bringing to the table in terms of coverage, customer service, for the price, right? Price is a component, definitely. This article is low income car insurance guide. So it's not strictly cheap car insurance. It's literally those who are technically defined as low income, right? So those, I think our government says those individuals that make under 25,000 a year are those households that may make under, I think it's 40 or 39,000 a year. And it's discriminatory for insurance carriers to directly just outright ask you what is your income level, right? Because then they're obviously directly trying to correlate the amount of income you make with the probability of them having to pay a claim, and your ability to pay your premiums. But one key piece of kind of good information that this article divulges is that there are obvious information points, data points, which carriers use to get a very strong indication of your level of income, right? So they don't directly ask you that, but they take circuitous routes to make that inference, right? Some of those data points are credit scores, right? And we're not going to get into the debate on if these data points actually have a correlation with income, because it really doesn't matter. The insurance companies use this, and it's known. So credit score, other things that they use that they believe correlate to income is the highest level of education. Right. Another data point is if you rent or own a home, right? And all of these data points are connected to the idea that higher income, lower rate, right? Because lower probability of having a claim, and higher probability of paying the premium, right? So those that own a home, that have kind of a graduate degree or have graduated from college, have a high credit score, tend to have high incomes, tend to be, I don't want to debate or anything, but tend to be better drivers, tend to end up in less claims, and tend to pay their premiums, right? That's the stance that insurance companies take. So keep that in mind as you're perusing and looking for insurance. Another good point that this article makes is that it overtly says that you should steer towards the national carriers, and that's sort of right, but the underlying theme there is that it's the belief that the capitalization of those national carriers, they're more financially sound than the regional carriers, right? So there's a less probability that the national carrier will go under and not be able to pay a claim, or look for loopholes to not pay a claim because operationally they're losing money, right? Or they may drop you at the drop of a hat because they're losing money, right? So the underlying theme, I'd like to massage that a bit, not to just overtly go for a national carrier, but look at the financial strength of the carrier that you're choosing to go with, just to make sure that they're solvent, they have a good history of paying claims, so that if you actually need them and you get into an accident, you don't have to worry about if your insurance, and sorry, it's not funny, but if your insurance company will be there and actually has the funds to pay the claim, right? And then the other kind of nuts and bolts strategies, which I bet you already know that you can use to kind of shave off some of that premium, are different discounts, right? Looking at it, perhaps taking, if your situation and circumstances allow, taking a higher deductible, right? But you have to game that out and understand that if you take that $2,500 or $5,000 deductible, then you will be on the hook. So you need to have that type of you need to have access to that type of liquid cash. Another caveat or another strategy to take is to if you get into an accident, perhaps you pay out of pocket, right, to keep your premium from going up. So those are all kind of ideas, strategies that this article puts into a kind of a guide to try to help those low income families and people that are looking for car insurance, just giving you something to think about and things that you may be able to do to locate that coverage, that partner that provides the best package for you at the best pricing. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll chat next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.